Welcome to your own channel of Ride Funda. Two identical pith balls, each of mass small m and carrying identical charge q each, are suspended from a common point by two strings of equal length L. The angle between the string is 2 theta and initially changes at the rate of d theta by dt mod is equal to omega naught due to leakage of charge at a very slow rate. Question is asking, find the rate of leakage of charge, that is dq by dt is mod. We have to calculate what rate the charge is getting leaked, that we have to calculate. Let's find out. Let's solve it. So before that, let's understand what the question is saying. That there are two charged particles are there. This q and minus q and q, two charged particles are there, and they are separated by some distance. Initially they are together, and at some time they are separated by some distance. Now the distance separation between them may be equal to d, we can take, and this angle is equal to theta right now. So what happened, the charge is getting leaked, so that's why the theta is keep on changing, and the rate of change of theta is given to us at any instant. Initially right now it is there, initially here it is, and at that time rate of change of theta d theta by dt is given to us as d theta by dt mod is given to us the omega naught. And question is asking to calculate dq by dt, rate of leakage of charge, that we need to calculate. What is given to the length is L is given to us. So if you draw the free body diagram of this, any of the charge particle, any of the pith ball, so there is a tension will be there like this. There will be this force will be repelling this one, so the electrostatic force will be there, Fe added, and there is a mg there. And this is in a quasi-equilibrium condition. Very slowly charge is getting leaked, so slowly it will be moving. So quasi-equilibrium position. So at this instant, I can resolve the forces. I can apply Lami's theorem also, or I can resolve the forces and I can write T sine T cos theta is being balanced by mg, or T sine theta is equal to Fe. So if I divide these two equations, then from that I can get the value of tan theta is equal to Fe by mg, Fe by mg. And what is the value of Fe there that we want to calculate? This Fe is nothing but k q square by d square. D the distance separation between the d square, but d is nothing but L sine theta, 2L sine theta ka whole square. So I got this one, that tan theta is equal to k q square by 4L square sine square theta into mg. This is my tan theta expression I got. I can simplify this. I take one side theta I will take, then I will be obtaining the equations here. So if we differentiate both the sides of the equation with respect to time, then we got 2 sine theta cos theta into tan theta plus sine square theta into secant square theta, and whole multiplied by d theta by dt is equal to k by 4L square mg 2q into dq by dt. So if I take mod of both the sides, I take only the positive values I want to take. I take on the mod this side, and this quantity is given as the omega naught. So from this we can simplify and can get the value of dq by dt. So simplifying this, we can obtain the value of dq by dt mod can be written as 2L square mg by k into q, and here inside we'll having got 2 sine square theta plus tan square theta. So we got the rate at which the charge will get leaked will be given by this expression will be here. So where we can write the k is equal to, where k is nothing but 1 by 4 pi. Of course this is multiplied by omega. So this whole expression we got is the value of the dq by dt. This